DIY, and today I welcome you to my YouTube channel. The name is Akweda DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment below. And in today's video is something superb. We are going to learn how to fix or how to assemble the Mori sofa set. Yeah, it's a metal sofa set. Okay, the table is metal, which comes with fabric cushions. So this is how it looks like in the box. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll be unboxing it and bring everything out, then we will just start from there. It's very easy and very simple to assemble. It only comes with some other parts which you just need to assemble. You are not going to assemble the whole set. Okay, so as you can see, the box is being opened and we are just going to bring everything out. I have my guy who is helping me to get this thing done, right? I alone cannot just fix it. So let's go as we unbox everything, bring everything from the plastic. So let's go. Please just subscribe to the YouTube channel Akweda DIY, like the video, comment below. Okay, you can also follow me on Instagram Akweda DIY, follow me on Facebook, which is Akweda DIY, follow me on TikTok Akweda DIY. So let's go. This is the assembly guide, which is going to guide you if in case you are watching the video and you have some doubt or misunderstanding. Just go through the assembly guide and you'll have everything intact. Okay, so that's the assembly guide. It comes with the screws and everything. Okay, it comes with the screws and everything it will be in the box. When you unbox it, the screws are there, the caps are there, and even the tighten, which is the key. Okay, which is the alarm key, you'll also find it there. So you don't need any tools, you don't need anything. Okay, everything is inside the box. When you unbox it, it comes with everything, so you don't need any tool to do that. Okay, so what we are going to start first, we will be starting with the table. Okay, so we will start from there. And I just want to know if you have some questions and other stuff, just don't forget to just comment below for me to know what exactly you want to understand in this video. I will just get back to you and put everything on point for you to understand. And please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is Akweda DIY, and like the video, comment below, follow me on all social media platforms. It can be Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, Akweda DIY. So as you can see, that's the table. That's how the table looks like, and that will be the first thing for us to just assemble it. So yeah, that's the guy, man. Just bringing everything out. Just actually we will be displaying that, right? We will be displaying that, so we need to bring every plastic and carton from it to make it clean and to make the assembly very soft. So that's what me and my guy, we are just doing that. It takes a couple of time to just to bring that thing out. So in the video at this section, you can just fast track it to start from where the starting of the table is being assembled. Okay, yeah. I just don't want to fast track this side. I just want my followers, my viewers to see every details, every step, any action. So that's it. it takes a little bit time to get this thing done, but as I said, I want every details, everything. I don't want to escape the video or speed the video up. I just want you to capture everything that I'm doing, okay, so that it won't be something ordinary for you, right? So the first one was the one-seater, just the one which I brought out is the two-seater. So it's a four-seater sofa, right? You get a two-seater and one-seater and one-seater, okay? So total in that it will be a four-seater sofa. Mori is one of the fantastic outdoor sofas which you can get, okay? So this one is a completely metal. So let's go, my guys. Yeah, as we are starting the table. So the table comes with the two legs which for the both side, right? So it's only these two legs which we are going to assemble, okay? Apart from that, there is nothing else. So it comes with a screw. So you just get it. Just keep on what I will just tell you that try to set everything, all the four side, put the screw and put the knot, right? And don't tighten in it. When you put the screw and you put the knot, just align all the four sets. Make sure it's in alignment before you will tighten it, because sometimes when you tighten one side, it will be difficult for the other side to align properly for you to tighten in it, okay? So what you do is put the screws all over the four slots. Then the next thing is for you to tighten them. So that's what we are doing. So now as you can see, we just put the screws without tightening it. So we align all the four. So now we are doing the tightening, because now all of them are set. So you just get your blankie. Don't rush it. When you rush it, it's going to turn over to damage the Allen key, which will be a problem. After you are done, just put the cap, all right? It comes with a nut cap, and just put it, press it. So your screws will be invisible. You will not see them, right? Yeah. So the cap will just cover them, and you have a very neat and fantastic finishing. Okay. So that's what we just did. It's very simple and very interesting, right? So that's it. It's been done. So we move to the next stage. So now we are just fixing the same process. We are just starting the two-seater. This is the two-seater which we are doing. First of all, set everything. So in this furniture itself, it comes with only two screws. Okay, the two-seater, you are just only going to fix these two screws. You are not going to fix everything. Everything is being fixed. Only the two screw, which is the relaxing back support. You can see. So follow the process. Put the two screws first. Align it properly before you tightening them. Okay, and if you are tightening them, don't rush. Normally, if I'm doing this, I don't like using the drill, because when you use the drill, you are going to distract the bolt and nut, right? Which it will cause a mess for you. In case if you miss out and you want to turn it back, it will be a problem for you. So this what we come across. Everything is done now, and you can see how fantastic our sofa looks like. Very simple and very neat and very simple for you to do. There's no hustle about that. It's very simple. Just follow everything. Just follow the video. You have some doubts, just check from the manual, and you are ready to go. So as I'm saying, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's your boy Akwede DIY. Follow me on Instagram, Akwede DIY. Follow me on TikTok, Akwede DIY. Follow me on Facebook. Like, comment. Let me know where exactly you are watching me from, and just suggest something that you want me to do, and I will just come and do it for you. Don't forget, the name is Akwede DIY. Thanks you for watching. I like the support. Share the video, invite people, and give me more thumbs up. And hey, I love you all, and really appreciate your time, your efforts, and everything. They support Akwede DIY. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys. See you. Big ups.